Hello everybody, my name is Thryss. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are a returning stitchie, welcome back. So I have a small yarn haul, a smallish yarn haul. And I have a happy mail. I'm not sure if I'm doing them all in the same video, but I'm trying to get my magnifier. If you guys wouldn't mind leaving a comment and liking and subscribing. I'm trying to get to 10K this year, and subs have been backsliding. I don't know if, I think YouTube is going and unsubbing people again, so make sure that you're subbed and all that jazz. So my hands are red. I'm dyeing yarn right now, and I'm wearing the same clothes because I'm batch recording. I said batch recording this time, not batch dyeing. I mess it up every time. This is the first time I didn't screw it up. This is from Expression Fiber Arts. I made this purchase like, I don't know, like a month and a half ago. It was a pre-order. So I'm very, very excited. So let's get into it. Shall we? We shall. Okay. It's different than what I thought it looked like. Okay. So I think this is only two different things. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. So backstory. Just a couple years ago, when I started, I don't know, really kind of actually crocheting and stuff, I had seen Shandy's yarn, but I wasn't really buying a lot in the way of like more luxury yarn lines. And she had this beautiful pattern that it was a shawl, and it had stars. It was really cool, and the color scheme was so pretty. And when I looked it up, there was a kit and everything, and at this time I didn't understand that these things don't just stay around all the time. This was also when I didn't understand the Hobby Lobby clearance sale. Anyway, I don't partake in that anymore, but so yeah, so I didn't get it. And then I saw it like a month later, which now I'm realizing is wackadoodle. Like, that just doesn't happen. It doesn't stay there that long. I saw it like a month and a half later, and I'm like, I'll get it one of these days. Oh no. Anyway, this colorway is not that. But the reason I said that is because this colorway makes me think of that. It looks really, really similar. If not the same. I don't know. I could be wrong. Okay. So June's birthstone is Alexandrite. It's what I did. Oh my gosh, I have dye all over my arm. Cute. It's what I did for my subscription boxes, and she had a colorway on there called Dark Alexandrite, and it's in a couple of the different bases. And I really, really wanted it. I didn't do it. I said I'll get it next payday. Next payday came. It was gone, and I was like, of course, I'm never gonna get it again. And then it restocked, so I jumped on it. You're not gonna be able to see it, and it's too dark, so I'm gonna have to take it out of the package. And this is on a base I haven't tried yet. Oh yeah, see, it looks very different once it's opened. Now, I don't work with worsted weight yarn a lot, but this was so pretty. I had to have it. I like the lighter weight yarns usually. Okay. So here it is. I'm hoping that the different colors come through. So from left, my left, I think it'll be your right. Right here is a navy. This is like it's like a great purple with navy splashes through it. This looks like navy with some gray tones. And this looks like green with navy, and then this is green. So it's a kind of a gradient. It's really, really pretty. It's really pretty. I like that. So I got 2 packs of those. I will tell you the base that they're on. It feels like, I honestly don't remember the base. It feels like it's just merino. I don't see like sheen of silk or anything. So I think it's just merino, which is great. I love merino. It's a nice base. Come on now. Play nice. Okay. So this is dark Alexandrite hues, buttery worsted, 100% superwash merino wool, 1,025 meters or 1,120 yards. Oh, I didn't see that she numbers the packages. This is number 777. So is this one. Oh, it must be like a batch order, like a die batch order. Anyway, so I got 2 of those. So I have, what did I say it was? So I have like 22 yards of a worsted weight. I can do anything with that I would want to do. So I could do, you know, my boring old stuff. I could do a cardigan. So, purple, blue, teal, green, gray, black. That whole thing is my shtick. But so is rainbow. So this would not be any good shandy haul or yarn haul if there wasn't rainbow. So I believe I got entirely way too much of this. I don't think I needed this much. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, well, look at me being all daring and crud. I didn't realize I did that. Okay, let me let the class in on what I'm talking about. It's flecked. I don't think I've ever bought flecked yarn before. I've dyed it before. I don't think I've ever bought flecked yarn though. Well, what are you? Oh yeah, you are you too. Oh, okay, very cool. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this one was done separate. Okay. Let me see what's going on here. I am confused. Doesn't take much. So okay, that I know. Tweed. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, now I know what's going on. I got it all figured out. All right. So this is the Restorative Hues Twisted Tweed Sport. It's 42% merino wool, 43% superwash merino wool, 15% Donegal, which is the flecken bits. There's 2,304 yards in this pack. So this is the 6-pack. So it is like a muted rainbow. So here is like a teal, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. And it's nice. I mean, it feels just, you know, like a basic merino, so I definitely don't mind it. So I got this one. And then I got a different one. Now, I can't remember if in my brain parts I was thinking I would put these together or what exactly I was thinking, but I saw them. They were sold separately. So I bought all of them. And now they have them in the Luster Sport also. This is more of the same tweed sport base. Okay, so these are the third, are they all called third eye chakra? No, these are chakra. They were called chakra. It's the exact same stats as that one. So I almost think I almost think that the two sets could maybe go together. Where's my purple? There's my purple. So there's this set too. I like it. And then I bought, because I love rainbow and gray together, I bought two grays. Let me see. I have one different item. These are both the same. No, I don't think these are the same gray. This one is called Take Chances. And this one is called Stardew. So this is Taking Chances. I wish I would have got more of these. They're very close. This is a closer to medium yellow based gray. This is a bluer based gray, and it's darker charcoal. I like this one. I like bluer based grays more than I like the yellow based grays. I really like these, but they're totally interchangeable. I could use them together. I'll probably give one gray to each pack. Because the chakra one is so bright, I'm going to give it the blue based gray. And because this one is a more muted tone, I'm going to give it the yellow based gray. So that's very cool. That's a really cool set. I almost think, and you guys tell me what you think, if these could go together. What do you guys think? I mean, I think that's way too much yardage for one project unless I'm making a blanket, and I'm not doing that. So, realistically, I probably won't put them together. Okay, then I have one more thing, and I got it. I was so curious about how this is going to look. And I'm not entirely sure, but I think it's a different base. Not like I've had it before. I'm wanting to try out all of Shandy's bases. This is going to be the last yarn order for a while. I have a grandbaby that is coming very, very soon, and going there for the birth is far more important than yarn. So they need a lot of help. They need a lot of help getting things to the baby, things to the apartment. And then I have travel expenses. So I am tightening the purse straps. So this is made out of the Wonder base. This is Wonder worsted, 75% extra fine superwash merino, 25% mulberry silk, 199 meters, 218 yards. And this is called agave. This was really pretty. I was so curious about it. I love the coloring of an agave plant. So I just wanted to see it in person. online it looked really, really pretty. This is a nice base too. I like this. So there are pops of like a chartreuse green, gray. So it's mostly gray with some blue and then some pops of chartreuse green. It's really pretty though. I really like it. I'll definitely work that into something. There's a project I'm wanting to do that is grays and like bright neon green and black, and I think this could be really pretty in it. Like just little, you know, lines to break up the solid colors. Okay, so that's cool. That is a lovely base. Now the Wonder base, I think it's limited edition, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Sorry about the abrupt ending. I showed a Happy Mail, but I'm going to put it in with my Friday Friends Mail video, so I didn't have an outro, so here's my outro. I love you guys. Stay safe and stay weird and stay creative, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.